Oh my god, Charlie, you're literally lurking. Hey guys, I've been wanting to do this for a while, and now that I have this huge mirror in my room, I thought I would film a everyday makeup routine. When I don't feel like wearing makeup, I don't wear makeup, so this is when I like feel like spiffing it up a little bit. So yeah, just enjoy. I hope the angle isn't awkward. As you know, I don't have a tripod, so you're stacked on a suitcase with a little container boosting up the lens, and typical Sam fashion. So anyway, yeah, please enjoy. This is kind of weird. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, usually I put on this It Cosmetics eye cream before I do anything. It's under eye cream. It's on because it's supposed to reduce like puffiness and dark circles and all that. Wait. What are you doing?
Me?
Yes.
I'm in the toilet.
So next I used this Instant Age Rewind concealer. When I was younger and in middle school watching YouTube, this is what all the beauty gurus wore, and I still really use it today. I actually was using Tarte Shape Tape for a while. It ran out and now I have this, and honestly this is like a better color match for me, so I'm happy with it. So I'm just gonna put this under my eyes. I don't use foundation like ever. I have freckles and I don't like putting them away. I just like found this in my bathroom when I was like cleaning up because we just moved. Rimmel London BB cream.
9-month skin perfecting super makeup.
So I put like a little bit of this on my hand. The teeniest, tiniest amount. Like this much. I just use that as a little blend. Obviously I want the under eye area to be brighter than my face concealer, so I just like put like a little dab of this Rimmel London stuff. I just use the Rimmel London stuff to kind of make it a little bit darker than the Fair Claire concealer. Just kind of like dabbing, like working that into my skin. This is kind of fun. Alright, so now I do my brows. I went to BeautyCon a couple years ago. I got these brushes, and sometimes I use this like angled eyebrow brush, and then I use the Brow Gal by Tanya Crooks, and it has like 3. I mean, that's if I want to go pretty intense, but usually I just use the Glossier Boy Brow. I have very like bushy brows. I could clean them up, I guess. I'm actually going to school tomorrow. I'm rushing like sororities, so maybe I will tweeze my brows for that. Right now we'll just let them go wild and free, you know. Young, you wild and free. Here they are. This is my broken big boy brush that I still use even though its butt has been lost. And I just use that Hoola bronzer, typical. I like won this competition when I was in 8th grade for benefit, and they sent me a bunch of stuff and it was super fun. And yes, that means that this bronzer is from 8th grade, which means that it's really old. And I know Jeffree Star is quaking right now, but I don't really care. I just like, you know, do that thing. You know what I'm talking about. This is just for funsies. I take this fluffy wuffy brush that's also from the same collection that I got at BeautyCon, and I just kind of like do this, you know, how they do that windshield wiper motion or whatever. Work that in there. Yeah. Just work it in, yeah. This is what it looks like. Then I pack it on my eyelid. I just like really blend that girl out, like it being a little bit higher than my crease. This is really just like a little wash over the lid. Then I take the same brush and I go under, and you might think, oh my god, that's such a thick brush, why are you going under with that thick of a brush? The product is still pretty concentrated, like under my eye how I want it to be. Honestly, it's definitely like a look that's not for everyone. I mean, I don't know if you guys know who Neva is. It's like this YouTube channel. It's like a fashion YouTube channel and sport girls, and they do fashion challenges. And there's one of them, and her name's Faith, and she always puts blush under her eyes. And it kind of makes her look like dead. I kind of like it. So it looks like this. You see? Just add some like definition. Like sometimes I use this Glossier Cloud Paint. This color is in Beam. You know what? We're just gonna do it. But when I feel spiffy, I'll use this. And of course I put on my nose first. This blush, you have to put it on your nose. That's just the Glossier way. So yeah, I just kind of like squirt like literally the tiniest amount. Then I put these two fingers together and then I just start dabbing away, yabbing away. You know, make sure it's like this constant wave.
Yeah, 'cause I'm blushing so much. Yeah, yeah. I put some on the side of my face.
Oh, cute. Then I'm gonna take an eyelash curler and curl the heck out of my lashes. I literally shun anyone who puts on mascara without curling their lashes. You need to. It's me curling my eyelashes, just pumping them out. Then I use this volumizing Revlon mascara, and actually this is a new bottle that I just bought. I was using Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, unpopular opinion, but I don't think it's that great. I was having a conversation with my friend Sydney about this. Honestly, mascaras is a thing, like one of the makeup products that you don't really have to spend that much money on to have the best quality. Anyway, when I went to BeautyCon with my friend Sydney, thank you for that amazing Christmas present, they gave these Revlon mascaras, which were brand new at the time, out to us for free. When I got home and used it, I was like, oh my god, I love this. A year later, and then the other day I was like, oh my god, I should just get the mascara that I liked that I got for free. Here, look at how great that is. This is the eye look and my nasty eyebrows that, you know, let go wild. So I just use whatever this is. That's my mom's. It's Elizabeth Arden blush palette. But I use this like middle thing, you know, just like a gold. I just use my pinky and just like rub like the tiniest bit on. Just enough to accentuate things. So yeah, just like your normal tub of Aquaphor. Just, you know, put that stuff on there. That is my everyday makeup routine. Thank you for watching. I know this is like a different video, but I was just bored and I wanted something to film. I need some more like personal videos in there. A lot of my videos are me just like running around somewhere with my friends. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, join the Ham Sam fam. Anyway, yeah, follow me on Instagram, Ham Sandwich. Probably wearing this makeup look a lot. You just wanted to see it in action. I'm really excited to go to school. There's probably gonna be a lot more videos coming out. Anyway, yeah, thanks for watching. See you later.